When you have large volume of unique data, create group frequency distributions to get meaningful insights. In group frequency distributions, raw data are combined into groups called class intervals or bins. With Excel data analysis command, you can calculate group frequency distribution, cumulative percentage, and histogram together. Excel automatically frame class intervals or bins. Alternatively, you can frame your own class intervals. Using data in Caltrans workbook, create group frequency distribution and histogram. Click Data tab and click Data Analysis command button. From Data Analysis tools, select Histogram and click OK. Select Input range. Leave bin range empty to allow Excel to frame class intervals. Select Label in Output options. Select New Worksheet. In the box, enter Frequency and Histogram. Then select Cumulative Percentage and Chart Output. Click OK. Group frequency distribution, cumulative percentage, and histogram are displayed in New Worksheet. As this output is clumsy and lengthy, it is not much helpful to you. Alternatively, you might want to create a group frequency with specific class intervals or bins. For that, first, you need to frame class intervals or bins. For this, you need to decide on bin width and number of class intervals. Calculate descriptive statistics to know about data. Click Data Analysis command and select Descriptive Statistics and click OK. Select Input range. Select Labels in first row. From Output options, select New Worksheet and name it as Descriptive Statistics. Select Summary Statistics and click OK. Descriptive statistics are presented in New Worksheet. Observe the range. It is 352,000. Suppose you want to have 7 class intervals. Then divide range with 7. You get 50,000. This should be bin or class interval width. In cell I2, write class interval and vertically write 50,000, 100,000, 150,000 till 350,000. These are upper limits of class interval. Excel just need upper limit values of class interval. Once again, click Data Analysis command. From Analysis tools, select Histogram. Click OK. Select Input range. Then select Bin range. From Output options, select New Worksheet and write name of worksheet as Specific Class Intervals. Select Cumulative Percentage and Chart Output. Click OK. A new worksheet is created. 48% of highways have vehicles traveled between 10,000 and 50,000. To calculate percentage of each bin or class interval, enter formula equals to C3 minus C2 and press enter. Drag the formula till end. Observe that percentage of vehicles traveled above 350,000 is less than 1. To get more in-depth insights, you can create class intervals with 25,000 or 10,000 width.